Quite like the power inlays.
Anyway, kids, this is for those young shavers that can't actually use 2 or 3 squares of toilet paper to wipe their bum. This is not how it's done. You're going to get schooled. Alright, 2 pieces, fold the 2 pieces, fold them again. There you go. And then you hold it like this, 2 fingers behind and the thumb in front to hold it on those 2 fingers. 2 fingers is all you need, folks. You don't need any more than 2 fingers. Okay, 2 fingers, and you start right at the top of the piece of toilet paper, and then you have 1 wipe. And then what you can do, once you've wiped, you can actually fold that in half and you can get a second wipe out of that same piece. Sound good? And then once you've done that, I'm just going to have 1 wipe there because I've already folded. You grab another couple of bits and same process. Fold it once, fold it twice, and then you've got 4 pieces of toilet paper protecting your fingers from the evil poo. It's not going to get on your fingers. Hold it with your thumb. Now remember, technique's really important. You want to wipe very carefully, just a little wipe. Don't have big smears, otherwise you'll end up just smearing stuff everywhere down there and it ain't a pretty sight, and you'll get skid marks in your undies. And yeah, there's a bit of technique involved. If you do it really delicately, you'll end up getting quite good at it, and it will be clean as a whistle down there. With a bit of practice, you'll become a professional and you'll save thousands of dollars on toilet paper. Your toilet's not going to block up, and when you go bush, you won't have to do the 1-piece wipe. You remember the 1-piece wipe? Now, if you missed the 1-piece wipe, I strongly encourage you to get on Patreon and check it out. It's really easy if you're standing up because you don't have to pull your hand out and risk touching anything. You just look down that way and you can have a quick check to see if it's clean. If it's not clean, repeat the process. Now, if you end up laying a skid mark down the side of the toilet, what you can do is you can just get another 2 pieces of toilet paper, fold them over and lay them up against that skid mark, and then they'll soak water up off the toilet bowl and then get the skid mark nice and moist, so that next time the next person flushes or whatever, it'll just wash that skid mark right off the bowl.